Hello everyone and welcome back for another Don's Lawns Quick Tip. So sticking with the mowing theme I've been going through, I'm going to show you two of the quickest ways to sharpen your mower blades. You need to sharpen your mower blades because with a rotary mower, your blade is spinning trying to cut the grass. So as it spins around, if you're hitting it with a dull mower blade, it's going to shred the grass and open up your grass to more opportunity for disease. So if your blade is really sharp, it's going to slice through and it's going to be a much cleaner cut and prevent some of those diseases from occurring. So before you go ragging on me, I don't have a bench vise, but if you have a bench vise, you need to get an angle grinder and a flap disc. That's the best way to sharpen your mower blade. It gets a real nice shiny edge that's razor blade sharp. Okay, if you don't have a bench vise, you can use your garage floor, set your mower blade down and give it a nice angle grind. Now if you don't feel like risking it with the angle grinder, you can find some of these guys out there. They sell them at Home Depot, they sell them on Amazon. I've done a review video. This is one of the Grizzly Long Gear mower blade sharpeners, and they work pretty well if you have a dull blade and you just need to give a little bit better edge, or maybe if you have a nick from some mulch or a rock and you just want to take that nick out real quick. This is a great solution. Now I don't quite recommend using this on a regular basis as your main sharpening component. It does take a while sometimes and it's not going to give it the sharpest edge. If you're looking to have the sharpest, cleanest cut on your lawnmower blade, I recommend the angle grinder or using a bench grinder as well. Both of those are going to give you an equivalent sharpness on your mower blade. To all of our service members and our public servants and civil servants, thank you for serving our country and serving our states. We appreciate everything that you've done, and happy Memorial Day. Please remember your veterans. Remember to thank them.